Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use some of the most common and useful mathematical functions in Excel: sum, average, and count. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet containing employee data. Let's say you have a column for salaries listed from cell B2 to B10. To calculate the total of all salaries, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear and type equals some open bracket B2 colon B10 close bracket. After pressing enter, Excel will instantly display the total salary amount. This is the simplest way to calculate total payouts or reimbursements for employees. Next, let's find the average value. If you want to check the average attendance percentage or average performance rating of employees, use the average function. In a blank cell, type equals average open bracket C2 colon C10 close bracket and press enter. Excel will calculate the mean value for all entries in that range, which can help you quickly understand the team's overall performance or attendance trend. Now, let's look at the count function. Count only counts cells that have numbers in them. For example, if you have a list of working hours or years of experience in column D, type equals count open bracket D2 colon D10 close bracket to know how many entries contain numerical data. Excel will ignore any text or blank cells in the range. On the other hand, the countif function counts all non-empty cells, whether they contain numbers, text, or dates. If you use equals counta open bracket A2 colon A10 close bracket, Excel will count every cell that has data, such as employee names or IDs. This is useful when you want to quickly check how many employees are listed in your sheet. You can also use the AutoSum button on the Home tab for quick totals. Simply select the cell where you want the sum, click on AutoSum, and Excel will automatically select the range of numbers. Press Enter, and your total will appear instantly. This feature helps save time when working with large data sets. That's it. You now know how to use the basic math functions sum, average, count, and counta to calculate totals, averages, and counts in your HR data sheet. You can review salary, attendance, or employee data in Unova HRMS, where these calculations are automated, giving you ready data in sheets and dashboards to quickly understand totals and trends. Thank you for watching.